Hello everyone, I am Sultan Mahmood, Assistant Director of SSBD. I'm very happy to inform you that we have started providing services to verify certificates and download certificates from our websites issued by SSBD. So if you have taken part in any of our courses and completed that course successfully, then we will issue a certificate for you that can be verified globally from our websites. So for that, you first have to land into our homepage. Then you have to click on these services. After clicking on these services, you will find out that our certificate verification portal like this. You just have to click on this. Then our certificate verification, our download portal will open. Here we have provided in the bottom a simple step-by-step guide. You have to select the appropriate services from the sidebar, which is this. Whether you want to download the certificate or verify your profile, then you have to choose from here. And then for authentication, we will provide you a participant ID that you have to use for certificate download or verification. Let me show you how we download the certificate first. Just click on this certificate download. Then a portal will open. Here you will see we have instructed you to enter the participant's ID. So you have to provide the valid participant's ID. So this is one of the successfully completed participant's ID. So let me just write this and then click on the submit. Okay, after that, if the participant's ID is correct, then you will find the data loaded successfully, verification successful, and the name of the participant's ID holder, which is shown here, then a certificate will appear. After that, you can download this certificate. If you click on this download certificate, a certificate PDF will appear and it will show like this. Okay, then if you want to verify the certificate, you have to click on this verification portal. Then you have to input the correct participant's ID, then click verify. So after taking some time, it will verify the ID. So in the verification portal, you will find your name, email, and participant's ID, and also the courses you have participated from SSBD will appear. The course duration and total number of sessions will also be mentioned in this verification portal. So I hope it will be beneficial for you, and also this verification portal will create a validity and acceptable towards the global community of engineers. So I hope everyone will be benefited from this. Thank you.